Tired of feeling like wealth is a distant dream? Like no matter how hard you work, financial abundance just feels out of reach? Forget the surface level advice and get ready to dive deep into the money secrets that nobody talks about. In this video, you'll learn a step-by-step system for tapping into your inner power to manifest financial abundance starting today. Stay tuned to the end, where we'll reveal the surprising truth about how giving back can actually make you richer. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and watch the other channel's videos for more, so you don't miss a single step on your journey to financial freedom. To truly understand how to manifest wealth, we need to shift our perspective. Money is not just paper or coins. It's energy vibrating at a frequency that can be influenced by our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Like attracts, your dominant thoughts and feelings about money determine your financial frequency. If you focus on lack, you'll attract more of it. But if you cultivate an abundance mindset, you open yourself up to receiving more wealth. Your emotions are powerful magnets. Fear, worry, and resentment block the flow of abundance, while joy, gratitude, and excitement attract it. Your intentions behind your financial decisions matter. When you set clear, positive intentions for your money, you align your energy with those goals and increase the likelihood of their manifestation. Grab a pen and paper. Rate your current energetic state around money on a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is extreme scarcity and 10 is overflowing abundance. What thoughts, emotions, and actions are contributing to this score? Be brutally honest. This audit is the first step towards transforming your financial reality. Even with the best intentions, most of us carry energetic blocks around money. These can stem from past experiences, cultural conditioning, or limiting beliefs ingrained in our subconscious minds. 1. Limiting beliefs. Identify and challenge negative beliefs like, money is the root of all evil. I'm not good with money, or rich people are greedy. These beliefs act as energetic barriers, preventing wealth from flowing into your life. 2. Negative emotions. Acknowledge and release any negative emotions tied to money, such as fear of loss, guilt around spending, or envy towards others' wealth. 3. Unresolved trauma. Past financial traumas like bankruptcy, debt, or poverty can leave deep emotional scars that block abundance. As a practical tip, take a moment of quiet reflection. Close your eyes and visualize the people who have contributed to your negative money beliefs. Forgive them for any hurt or pain they may have caused. Then forgive yourself for any past financial mistakes or regrets. Release the negative energy and make space for healing and abundance. Now that you've cleared the energetic blocks, it's time to reprogram your brain for wealth. This involves shifting your thoughts, emotions, and actions to align with abundance. Step 1. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is the most powerful amplifier of abundance. Make it a daily practice to acknowledge and appreciate the blessings in your life, no matter how small. As a practical tip, start a gratitude journal, create a gratitude jar, or simply take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. Step 2. Affirmations. Positive affirmations are like mental mantras that reprogram your subconscious mind. Repeat them daily with conviction and emotion. As a practical tip, create personalized affirmations that resonate with you. Write them on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them often. Step 3. Visualization. The mind is a powerful creator. Spend time each day visualizing your dream life in vivid detail. As a practical tip, create a vision board with images, quotes, and affirmations that represent your financial goals. Make it a multi-sensory experience by adding scents, textures, and even sounds that evoke the feeling of abundance. Step 4. Financial education. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. As a practical tip, read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, or attend seminars on financial topics. Find a mentor who can guide you and share their wisdom. You've now been equipped with the foundational tools for attracting wealth. But the journey doesn't stop here. Up next, I'll reveal a little-known technique that can accelerate your money manifestation like never before. This is the secret that most people don't know about. You can use your energy to manifest money directly. This isn't some woo-woo concept. It's based on the principles of quantum physics and the power of intention. Step 1. Set a clear intention. Decide exactly what you want to manifest. Be specific about the amount of money you desire and what you want to use it for. Write down your intention and read it aloud daily. Step 2. Raise your vibration. Use techniques like gratitude, visualization, and affirmations to raise your energetic frequency and align with the abundance you seek. Spend time in nature, listen to uplifting music, and surround yourself with positive people. Step 3. Take inspired action. Look for opportunities to create value and serve others. This could be starting a business, investing in a project you believe in, or simply offering your skills and expertise to others. You've learned the theory, but now it's time to get practical. In the next section, I'll share actionable tips and strategies for attracting money-making opportunities into your life. Tip 1. Become a money magnet. Visualize yourself as a magnet attracting money from all directions. To put it into practice, create a money magnet ritual. Each morning, hold a magnet in your hand and visualize it attracting money to you. Say affirmations like, "I am a money magnet," or "Money flows to me effortlessly." Tip 2. Create a money altar. Set up a special space in your home where you can focus on your financial goals. To put it into practice, decorate your altar with symbols of abundance like gold coins, crystals, or images that represent your desires. Light candles, burn incense, or play calming music to create a sacred space for manifestation. Tip 3. Use money affirmations. Write positive affirmations about money on sticky notes and place them around your house, car, and workspace. To put it into practice, use a dry erase marker to write affirmations on your bathroom mirror. This way, you'll see them every day as you get ready, reinforcing the positive messages. Tip 4. Practice the art of receiving. Be open to receiving money from unexpected sources. To put it into practice, when you receive a gift, compliment, or opportunity, say thank you and fully receive it without guilt or reservation. Tip 5. Celebrate your wins. Every time you receive money, celebrate it. To put it into practice, create a money wins list. Each time you receive money, no matter how small, write it down on your list. Review this list regularly to reinforce the feeling of abundance and gratitude. We're almost at the end, but I've saved the most powerful secret for last. Stay tuned to discover the surprising truth about how giving back can actually make you richer. Fear is the biggest enemy of abundance. Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of not having enough. These fears can paralyze you and prevent you from taking the necessary steps to achieve your financial goals. As an actionable step, identify your deepest fear around money. Write it down and then ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen if this fear came true? Often, our fears are far worse in our imagination than in reality. The ultimate secret to attracting wealth is cultivating inner peace. Inner peace is the state of being mentally and spiritually at ease, with enough knowledge and understanding to keep oneself strong in the face of discord or stress. It's the feeling of calm, contentment, and harmony within yourself, regardless of external circumstances. When you cultivate inner peace, you radiate a positive energy that attracts abundance in all areas of your life, including your finances. As an actionable step, carve out 15-20 minutes each day for a sanctuary practice. This could be meditation, yoga, a nature walk, or simply sitting in silence and focusing on your breath. This dedicated time for self-care will help you quiet your mind, reduce stress, and connect with your inner wisdom. As you embark on your journey to financial abundance, be mindful of these common pitfalls. 1. Impatience. Building wealth takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Stay committed to your practices and trust the process. 2. Focusing on lack. Instead of dwelling on what you don't have, focus on what you do have. Gratitude is the key to shifting your energy from scarcity to abundance. 3. Negative self-talk. Your inner dialogue has a powerful impact on your reality. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. 4. Comparisonitis. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your unique path. 5. Ignoring your intuition. Your intuition is your inner guidance system. Listen to your gut feelings and trust your instincts when making financial decisions. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore more advanced techniques to accelerate your wealth manifestation. 1. Energy clearing. Clear your living and workspace of clutter and negative energy. This creates a clean slate for abundance to flow in. 2. Feng Shui. Arrange your home or office according to the principles of Feng Shui to attract wealth and prosperity. 3. Vision boards on steroids. Create a vision board that not only includes images but also sounds, scents, and textures that evoke the feeling of abundance. 4. Scripting. Write a detailed script of your ideal day as if it's already happening. This helps to program your subconscious mind for success. 5. Energy healing. Explore energy healing modalities like Reiki or EFT tapping to release emotional blocks and align your energy with abundance. You've now been equipped with the knowledge and tools to transform your financial reality. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about living a life of purpose, passion, and abundance. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset. Use it wisely and watch your wealth soar. You have way more potential than you realize, waiting to be unleashed. If you're done with feeling stuck and want to master your money mindset, then check out this other video right here appearing on your screen. Also, show this video some love. Like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single step on your journey to financial freedom. And do not forget to check the other videos in this channel and linked in the description. This is just the start. Let's build the future you deserve together. Thanks for watching.